How to add cards to Google Wallet. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add cards to Google Wallet. So if you're trying to add your credit card or really any card to Google Wallet, you are in the right place. The process is super simple, and in this video, I'll show you how you can do it. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Google Wallet app on your phone, and here make sure that you're logged into your account. And now here, once inside the app, just look at the bottom right corner and you'll see the option that says add to wallet. So go ahead and tap that, and after that a new menu will pop up giving you several choices. Now here you can add a payment card, transit pass, loyalty card, gift card, or even an ID card. For most of you, you would likely choose the payment card option. So here simply tap on payment card option, and after that you can either scan your card using your phone camera, or you can manually enter your card details by tapping on add a payment card. And after that, you can simply enter your card credentials like your card number, expiration date, CVV, billing address, and your name. And here, if you want to add something else, you can add transit pass, loyalty cards, and gift card the same way. Just select the type of the card that you want to add and just follow the prompts to enter it. And here, once you have entered everything, your card will be added to Google Wallet, and you are all set to start using it for payments and more. And that's it. That's how you can add cards to Google Wallets. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.